If you've ever tried to meditate and thought, "Am I doing this right? Why can't I stop thinking? Is this even working?" Then this video is made for you. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to explain exactly how meditation works. Bust the biggest myths that stop people before they start, and guide you through your first proper meditation. By the end of this, you will know how to meditate. Let's begin. First, let's clear something up. Meditation is not about emptying your mind. Your mind will always produce thoughts. That is what minds do. Meditation is about changing your relationship with those thoughts. Instead of being pulled around by every thought that appears, you learn to simply observe them without reacting, without judging, without following them down a rabbit hole. Think of it like sitting by a busy road. Cars pass constantly, but you don't have to jump into every car. You just watch them go by. That is meditation. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes to just watch. Myth 1. You have to sit cross-legged on the floor. Not true. You can sit in a chair, lie down, walk slowly. What matters is that your body is comfortable and your spine is reasonably upright. Myth 2. You need to meditate for a long time to get results. Not true. Even 5 to 10 minutes of consistent practice changes your brain over time. Consistency beats duration every time. Myth 3. If your mind wanders, you're doing it wrong. Not true. Mind wandering is part of the process. The moment you notice your mind has wandered and you gently bring it back, that is the meditation working. That noticing is the practice. Now, let's set you up properly. Find a comfortable seated position, in a chair or on the floor. Let your spine be naturally upright, not rigid, but not slouched. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes or soften your gaze downward. Set a gentle intention for this session. Maybe it's calm, maybe it's clarity, maybe it's simply to be present. Whatever it is, hold it lightly. You are ready. Now, we practice together. Bring your attention to your breath, not controlling it, just noticing it. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool on the way in, slightly warmer on the way out. Feel your chest or belly rise and fall, rise and fall. Just this breath and this one. Now, a thought will come. Maybe it already has. That's completely normal. When you notice a thought, simply say to yourself, thinking, and gently return to the breath. No frustration, no judgment, just return. Breath in and out, in and out. If your mind wanders again, notice it, label it, thinking, and come back. Every time you return to the breath, you are building the muscle of awareness. You are training your mind. This is the practice. Simple, repetitive, powerful. Stay with your breath now. In and out, in and out. Just this moment. Just this breath. Nothing else is needed right now. You are meditating. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Feel yourself returning to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You just meditated properly. Remember, the goal is not a perfect session. The goal is to show up, to practice, to return to the breath again and again. That is all meditation is. And now, you know how to do it. Come back tomorrow and the day after. That consistency will change your life.